Hey guys, this is my next project. It's an old, not sure what year. It's hydrostatic John Deere. Dad already raped the axles and stuff, but and the engine and stuff out of it, but we'll find out to get that. There's a Briggs 16 horse opposed twin cylinder that will be, this is the engine that will be going in it. Gonna do it up for racing. Chop it down, chop the hood, put the take the dents out of it, and all nice and that crap, and yeah, make it go fast. And we got that, got a little bit of damage in the front, but I'm not worried about that. Good. It's not a bad project for free. Should be able to do her up nice and cheap. So might have to get another donor. We'll see. Then my other projects. The weed whacker engine. Go up with parts. Oh, we had 250 Suzuki quad engine seized up. You gotta pull the head off and get it unseized and put it back together. The box of parts for it. That's an old 74 Honda XL175 enduro bike. This is my other 16 horse twin cylinder Briggs. It's also a opposed cylinder. And what's that here? You got a old snapper Honda, or an old Honda that self-propelled push mower that we haven't used for a year, and pushing it sucks. But tires, garbage. Go over here. Yeah, tires for racing. Let's see, many piles of junk. Just some spare metal that I grabbed from when I worked at the Lawnmower shop. Grates and stuff. This trailer is actually going to be a lawnmower trailer. That's going to hold hopefully two lawnmowers, so I can tow it behind my truck. Then this quad that has to be fixed. There's my truck. It's a 1988 S15 GMC Sierra 4x4 2.8 liter 5-speed standard cab. There's many parts of the junk. These tires, these quad tires used to be on my Ford, my racing lawnmower. Yeah. Tailgate for the Chevy here. Go around the other side. Put some offset rims that I had. Did all the body work myself. And wasn't a bad truck. But so here's the interior. And then there's his friend's It's that Husqvarna that engine's for. I'm building. Pulled the deck off. Gotta put it's so I gotta put this bitch back together. And yeah, I think that's about it. Alright. See you later.